In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear chat in Google Notebook LM. If your conversations have gotten cluttered or you just want a fresh start, clearing the chat is quick and keeps the rest of your notebook intact. Here's exactly how to do it and what to expect along the way. First, open your browser and go to Google's Notebook LM. If you're prompted to sign in, use the account tied to your notebook so you see the correct workspace. Give the page a moment to load. You'll land on a dashboard showing your notebooks. Next, click the notebook where you want to remove the chat history. This action matters because chat is cleared per notebook, not across your entire account. Opening the right one prevents you from wiping a conversation you still need elsewhere. Once inside, you'll see the chat panel on the right alongside your sources and notes on the left. At the top of the notebook page, look for the three-dot More Options menu. It's typically in the upper right area of the interface. Click that menu to reveal actions that apply to this notebook's conversation. Choose Delete Chat History. Before you proceed, a quick note for peace of mind. This removes only the chat messages for the selected notebook. Your sources, notes, and uploaded files remain untouched. If there's anything in the chat you might want later, consider copying key answers to a note before you continue. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete to finalize. This step is permanent, so after you confirm, the chat panel will clear and you'll be starting with a blank conversation for that notebook. You won't be able to restore the deleted messages later. That's it. You're now ready to ask new questions with a clean slate. If you want to keep a running record in the future, a helpful habit is to summarize important takeaways into a note before clearing the chat, or simply start a new conversation thread when the option is available. Also, remember that the location of the three-dot menu can shift slightly as interfaces update, but it will still appear near the top of the page. If you don't see Delete Chat History right away, make sure you're inside the correct notebook. Thanks for watching. With these steps, you can tidy up your workspace in seconds and focus on what matters, getting clear, current answers from your sources without yesterday's clutter.